You open your closet and instantly feel stuck. So many clothes, but nothing feels right. It's not just you, most of us experience this every single morning. In today's video, we are going to talk about why this keeps happening to you even when your wardrobe is full. Because the problem isn't that you don't have enough clothes, it's that your closet doesn't support who you are today. Most of us shop one piece at a time. A cute top from here, a trendy dress from there, another nice piece from Instagram, but none of these items are chosen to work together. So individually they are nice, but as outfits they fall apart. And this is why you feel like nothing works. It's not about quantity, it's about connection. To fix this, look at what you reach for the most. Make those pieces the base of your wardrobe. Then add only what honestly supports these pieces. And that's how you build your outfits, not piles. One major reason you feel lost because a lot of your wardrobe was bought for a different version of you. Influencers, ads, Pinterest boards, weddings, work events, and those clothes doesn't fit your day to day. And honestly, your clothes needs to match your life, not someone else's aesthetic. A simple reset is to ask, would I wear this on a normal day? And if the answer is no, that piece will always stay untouched. When your closet is overstimulating, your brain shuts down. 10 similar tops, 5 versions of the same jeans, and you end up wearing the same two things because it's the easiest choice. You don't need to throw everything out, just remove what isn't helping you. Store extras away and keep only what you would genuinely reach for this season. And the moment your closet looks calm, you feel calm, and getting dressed becomes instinctive. Before we talk further, I need to make outfit using this top. I am attending 2 weddings in next 2 months. So I got this top recently. I was doing Diwali shopping for my mom and I just couldn't take my eyes off this top, so I had to get it. So I'm going to take out pants and I'm gonna try few outfits. So let's do that. So I got two pants, this very bright pink and the black one, and let's try. I also have another skirt from my wedding time 6 years back, but I think it's in storage, so I have to take it out with my husband's help. So we're not gonna trying it right now. So yeah, let's try this. And while I'm trying, let's talk about the fourth reason. So new pieces does feels exciting, but sometimes it's just for a week and then they join the pile, and that cycle keeps you stuck. One of the most powerful shift is learning to repeat outfits proudly. When you allow yourself to wear same pieces again, you start discovering your real style. You don't need more options. You need better use of what you already own. So, how does it look? With pink. Let me show you the black one as well. What do you think? Pink or black? While you decide, let's talk further. Here's what will help you instantly. Start noticing patterns, colors you always reach for, fits that makes you feel confident, and fabrics that makes you feel comfortable all day. These patterns are your style. Once you identify these patterns, getting dressed becomes less confusing and your closet becomes a reflection of you. Sun is about to set. Let me turn on the light so I think you can see better. So, pink or black? What do you think? I think I like black better. So, start small. Remove what doesn't fit you and wear what feels like you. Stop buying for trends. And these tiny steps creates a wardrobe that finally makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and I hope you learned some valuable things. And I hope now you finally have something to wear. And that's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Bye. I think I like the black one. Black looks better.